Did you know that you are able to see a galaxy 2.5 million light years away with the unaided eye? Mark Schroeder once said, "How good an astronomer you become depends less on your gear than building on your knowledge and skills." Astronomy has been one of the many science fields that I enjoy because it deals with all aspects of the universe that is outside of our atmosphere. If you would like to confidently stargaze in your backyard, then you will need to find the right tool to observe the night sky, know what to look at, and some important resources like this guide to get you started. I'll see you after the short intro. Finding the best tool for you to stargaze is one of the most important tasks to research about if you want a good view of the night sky. The first thing to do is ask yourself if you would like binoculars or a telescope. Binoculars are small and mostly easy to carry, and telescopes are much larger and heavier, but give you a stronger and finer image of what you are observing. Here are two telescopes that will meet all of your needs as a beginner or an experienced astronomer. First, the Celestron Inspire 100 AZ Refractor Telescope will be perfect as a beginner telescope to view our solar system, which gives you clear pictures of the moon and the ability to see Saturn's rings along with Jupiter's moons. But if you would rather view objects in deep space, then the Celestron NexStar 8 SE computerized telescope shown in the image is perfect for you because you'll be able to see the Orion Nebula, some brighter galaxies, and amazing views of the solar system as easily as one click of a button on the keypad. Now that you have your observing tool, the second thing you need to do is know what to observe, then learn how to observe it and when you can see it best. For example, if you are interested in viewing the Orion Nebula in the northern hemisphere, then the best time to do it is in the frigid winter or early spring, where it is usually high in the sky and it can be spotted by finding Orion's belt, which is just 3 stars in a straight line representing his belt. Once you see his belt, then find another 3 stars somewhere underneath it, which represents his sword attached on the belt. Now aim your telescope at the so-called sword and clear the image so that you can see a faint fog somewhere. Then use a phone to capture the image of the Orion Nebula with a 10-second exposure to get the more beneficial image. You can always research about other celestial objects and how to find them. You just need to know what you want to observe first. Having resources for astronomy is very important if you want to learn about what you are observing and more information on how to observe them. My personal favorite is sterliumweb.org, which shows you the exact time, date, and location of when you need to observe anything. It also gives you some information about that object so you can learn and grow in your understanding of the universe. Solarsystem.nasa.gov tells you a lot of the solar system that we live in and gives you a free 3D visual of the solar system and its place in the Milky Way galaxy. Both of these websites will be in the description below, along with some additional resources to help you. By finding the right tool to use when you stargaze, knowing what to observe, and some important resource to get you there, astronomy can be extremely enjoyable for anybody who is willing to learn about the universe that we live in. Most importantly, we need to give God the glory for creating His universe and letting us live in it and learn about it. I am just another space guy, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below and please subscribe. I hope to see you next time.